In the vast landscape of online content, YouTube has emerged as a prominent platform for sharing videos, showcasing talents, and building communities. With millions of active users, growing a YouTube channel requires dedication, consistency, and effective strategies. This video aims to provide value, insights, and practical tips on how to grow a YouTube channel and reach a wider audience. 1. Define your channel's niche. Identify your passion and area of expertise to define a clear niche for your YouTube channel. Focusing on a specific topic or theme will help attract and retain a loyal audience. Research popular trends, analyze your competitors, and find a unique your content apart. Create high quality content. To grow your YouTube channel, prioritize the quality of your content. Invest in a good camera, microphone, and editing software to ensure your videos are visually appealing and have a great audio quality. Develop a content strategy that is engaging, informative, and valuable to your target audience. Consistently upload new videos to maintain viewer interest and encourage regular content. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Utilize search engine optimization techniques to enhance the discoverability of your videos. Craft compelling titles that include relevant keywords and accurately describe the content. Write detailed video descriptions that provide additional context, incorporate keywords, and include links to relevant resources. Use appropriate tags to help YouTube understand the content of your video and rank it better in search results. Engage with your audience. Building a strong connection with your audience is crucial for channel growth. Respond to comments, address questions, and encourage discussions in the comments section. Engaging with your viewers not only fosters a sense of community but also increases viewer retention and encourages them to share your content with others. Additionally, consider creating videos that directly involve your audience, such as question and answer sessions, challenges, or collaborations to increase their participation and loyalty. Promote your channel. While creating great content is essential, actively promoting your channel can significantly boost its growth. Leverage social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to share teasers, behind-the-scenes footage, or updates about upcoming videos. Collaborate with other YouTubers or influencers in your niche to cross-promote each other's channels. Consider reaching out to relevant blogs or websites for potential collaborations or guest posting opportunities to expand your reach beyond YouTube's platform. Utilize YouTube Analytics. Take advantage of YouTube's analytics tools to gain valuable insights into your channel's performance. Analyze metrics such as watch time, audience demographics, and traffic resources to understand what content resonates most with your viewers. Adjust your content strategy accordingly to cater to their preferences and interests. Pay attention to viewer retention rates, click-through rates, and engagement metrics to refine your video editing, structure, and presentation style. Growing a YouTube channel requires dedication, consistent effort, and a thorough understanding of your target audience. By defining a niche, creating high-quality content, optimizing titles and descriptions, engaging with your audience, promoting your channel, and utilizing analytics, you can steadily increase your subscriber base and build a thriving YouTube community. Remember, patience is key, as channel growth often takes time, but with persistence and strategic implementations, you can achieve success on YouTube.